What are renewable energy certificates? Everyone would like to enjoy the benefits of clean, renewable power, but most people don't have the space to put a 200-foot tall wind turbine in their backyard. Renewable energy certificates from the New Energy Marketplace make it possible for you to enjoy the benefits of renewable energy without the hassle of owning your own equipment. How does it work? In order to understand how renewable energy certificates work, we need to examine how electricity arrives at your home. That process involves a set of transmission lines and electrical hardware known as the grid. Power plants produce electricity and place it on the grid. Homes and other buildings pull electricity off the grid. Unfortunately, once electricity enters the grid, it's impossible to distinguish renewable electricity from electricity produced from another source, like a coal-fired power plant, which is a problem because not all electricity is created equal. The reality is that the electricity produced by a renewable power source like a wind farm is not the same as electricity produced by a coal-fired power plant. Even if the electrons are indistinguishable, renewable energy is sustainable, domestically produced, and clean. No CO2, no acid rain, no heavy metals, and no particulate pollution. That means healthier people and healthier environments. That is what purchasing renewable electricity is all about. Enter the Renewable Energy Certificate. Renewable energy certificates act like a tracking system. Every time a renewable power producer creates a unit of energy, it also produces one renewable energy certificate. A renewable energy certificate is like a seal of approval that electricity was produced from a clean, renewable source, and it represents all the benefits of green power, like clean air and reduced pollution. Renewable energy certificates are sold separately from the electricity itself, and when you purchase them, you get to claim the environmental benefits, converting your standard electricity into renewable power. The result? Renewable energy certificates make it easy to convert your electricity to renewable power without all the hassle of installing solar panels on your roof. Better yet, your purchase directly supports renewable energy producers, since producers get a premium for selling their certificates, driving demand for alternatives to fossil fuels. The more you purchase, the cleaner the world gets for everyone.